I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the cattle market, or on the livestock market, cattle and hogs, we'll say. Cattle was steady today. Traders were really hoping for a replay of last week. We were holding our breath all week trying to get something going here. We're not sure how it was. There has been some cattle sales. The on-feed report is expected after the close. That should be a very interesting play. You know, we could be waiting for a while to get a real shot in the arm right now. The market has been consolidating somewhat, and the cash cattle market you know, it looks like it could be a little bit dicey, and I think that's why we're seeing the market kind of like moving on both sides of unchanged. Feeders were firm, really operating the same as live cattle, maybe a little bit firmer, a little bit better. Last week's beef exports were higher than average. That really helps the market quite a bit, and I think that that's what's keeping the market steady. Even though it did sell off just a little bit earlier today, we're still waiting for the numbers to come in. We're here on the weekend hoping that we can get something going, but we have been stuck in this channel, even though it's the upside of the channel, so that makes it a little bit more positive. But you know, it's hard to say. We're waiting. We're in this consolidation stage, even at the top, but waiting for new news to gain a little bit more direction. And it has a few of the traders kind of frustrated by the lack of volatility. And what's happened is a lot of the volatility in the livestock complex has moved to the hogs. The hogs were lower today. Export sales are a little bit down. There is real worried about these trade tensions. And of course, we have to worry about what's happening with China, and as well as Mexico and Canada in the whole pork production area. And it seems that the processing margins have improved. However, they're still very, very low. And those pork producers have the ones that have been hit the hardest with what's happening with these tariffs, and it makes it very, very difficult. Interestingly enough, though, a lot of traders said today that all the trade coming into the hog complex has been buying calls, selling puts. That's a real positive. Perhaps the bottom is in, but we'll see for next week. But right now, market's just a little bit lower. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.